It Chapter 2 came out last October 2019, and to date has been our biggest film placement. I know in the past I would do the behind the sync episodes where I would talk about a placement I had and then talk about the music production that went into it. But there are a lot better people you could check out on YouTube regarding music production. But what I haven't seen on YouTube is people explaining how they got their music in such projects. Basically, it boiled down to a niche. What's my niche or niche? I don't know. Niche. It boiled down to my niche of foreign language music. I keep telling people, have a specialization, have something that sets you apart from everybody else. In this case, it was, big surprise if you've been watching this channel, foreign language music. But our music that was placed in the movie wasn't foreign language, it was an instrumental piece. Well, someone from the film reached out to me regarding a scene that needed foreign language music. Which scene was that? I don't want to tell you. Maybe you could watch the Blu-ray commentary and they might tell you, but I ain't saying enough. They said they were kicking around some ideas for a foreign language piece of music, and we spoke about it. We did a couple demos. In truth, there was a lot of different musical choices they were mulling over for that particular scene, so there wasn't a very good chance that our music would get used in that scene. Though they did say they were looking for music for another scene in which the security guard's phone rings and there is a ringtone. And that's the placement we ended up getting, as you can see here. So even though they didn't use a foreign language track of ours, we still got a placement in the film because they contacted us originally about a specialization. It's not good to tell people you could do every type of music. You ever heard of the term jack of all trades, master of none? Not that master of none. Not that master of none. Not that master of none. Jack of all trades, master of none. That's what executives hear when you tell them that you could do every type of music. All right? You want to specialize in something. And you could do other types of music as well, but have a specialization. So when you see that executive at a panel, at a webinar or something, and they ask, what type of music do you do? Say, I specialize in this. And what do you specialize in? You specialize in the genre that you are best at. If you want to specialize in something right now, specialize in clicking on our Amazon affiliate link. Whatever you buy on Amazon through that affiliate link, we get paid a commission. And it's from Amazon's profit. You don't pay any more for the product. Amazon pays us from their profit. So whatever you're going to buy, a traffic cone, a rubber chicken, a lamp, and some postcards, we get a piece of Amazon's profit. Again, you don't pay any more for it, but it's a great way to help the channel. So what do you specialize in? Tell me in the comments, what is your specialty? I want to know what everyone's specializing in. Are you getting placements with your specialization? Are you having trouble finding what your specialization is? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you next time.